Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I'll put this in the description box down below. Talks about how to enter for this. Let me know about your holidays, how they're going. Mine are going pretty good. I'm happy and I'm excited, and we're finishing things off with the big family wedding on New Year's Eve, so I'm super excited for that, and to welcome a new family member to the, actually two new family members because she has a daughter. So today we are talking GLOSSYBOX. GLOSSYBOX ships out monthly. If you've been around my channel for a while, I've kind of gone like this with GLOSSYBOX. I have caught them inflating some of their prices, to be honest, in the past. This past couple months, I haven't noticed that as much. It's $21 a month, it ships out monthly, and let's dive in and see what we got in here. So I am on the fence of whether or not to keep this for 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the description box down below. Watch it to the end and then tell me what you think. So I do like the boxes. They're really, really sturdy. This one is super cute. There is a $100 wine voucher to Naked Wine. There's also a $80 gift card to HelloFresh. If you guys have used HelloFresh, let me know that in the description box down below and what your thought of it, what the whole experience was like for you guys. And all your products come neatly wrapped in tissue paper. Ooh, I love a good lip tint. This is the Steve Laurant Cherry Lip Tint. I do know that they are cruelty free, and this does retail for $22. So basically it just says that it's a new product to them. It's creamy lip tint, glides on smooth, high pigmentation, cruelty free, and long lasting. It is 3.5 grams. Ooh, this packaging is really pretty. I love lip tints, especially in the spring and summer. Here's what this looks like. Really, really buttery and creamy. This is really pretty, perfect for the spring and summer. I just wear kind of darker stuff in the winter is all. That's really, really pretty. You can almost use it as a blusher. Cute, love this. By LASplash is their Golden GATSBY 3D faux hair lashes. Look how long those are. Perfect for a fancy night like my New Year's Eve wedding. So channel your inner 20s girl with this luxurious lashes. Imagine your perfect lash, each designed with unique pattern, and watch them come to life. I normally don't wear lashes. I do an eye serum, but I think for big events like this wedding I'm going to and other stuff, I will wear them for that. So I think that'll be really, really fun. Cute, love it. These do retail for $12. From Realher, it's their new product. It's the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This does retail for $28. It is a limited edition. And it says that the Cheek Trio has all your angles covered. Ultimate Glow Getter. It's a mix of mattes that soften, sheen complexion, produce products that are perfectly compact and ready to go. This soft, silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with universal peach color. Blush, highlight, and contour all within one product. We'll say that was really hard to get the packaging open. Here's what it looks like here on this side. Here are your colors. I really don't do peach high shadows and gold highlighters because they kind of wash me out. And so I'm going to be putting in this in one of our upcoming giveaways. So So be on the lookout for that. Number one rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber, you guys, and I do check. So join us. It's such a good group, and I love all you guys. Thanks. By Pretty Women is the Nails Medic Nail and Cuticle Energizer. Retails for $5. And it's a nail and cuticle energizer, anti-aging nail therapy, naturally infused with biotin and eucalyptus oils. This packaging is really pretty. I wonder how they do it. It's like, can you see it move? It's like it's purple on top that's not infusing with whatever the pink color is down here. I mean, even if I shake it, it's still completely separate. How weird is that? Anyway, little things amuse me. Last product in here is Luxie brushes. I love all the Luxie brushes. I mean, I have got a ton of them just sitting right here, right next to me. Anyway, I love them all. So this one I'm excited for. It is a brow and lash brush in rose gold. Retails for $10. It is on sale right now on the Luxie website for $4, huge discount. So the Luxie 201 Rose Gold Brush and Lash Brush is ideal for shaping and grooming brows before makeup application and to brush out excess powder, pencil, or pomade. This also can be used to remove excess mascara and unclump lashes. My lashes get easily clumped. So I'm excited about that. The Luxie Signature Rose Gold Brush line features premium soft synthetic bristles encased in rose gold, fruit atop a chic pink handle, making them not only functional but a beautiful addition to your vanity. I really do like the Luxie brushes, you guys. They hold up really well, and for $4, I mean, yeah. So what did you guys think? I think my favorite items are the Steve Laurent lip tint, because I do love a good lip tint, and the Luxie brushes. What were you guys' favorite things? Let me know that in the comments down below. Let me know if you think I should still keep this box or not. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.